Hello everyone. Today we are going to share with you a new review for this product, the entry-level 10th generation Kindle 2021. First, let's unbox the guy and see what we find inside. The Kindle slides out from here with a bit of a paperwork, the charging cable on a side. Really simple, nice and neat. Let's take it out of this plastic wrap. The same black plastic with the small screen Kindle here. We have the charging port here and the power button. Let's power it up. The size is just right to fit in a hand. The plastic, I would say, it kind of feels cheap. It's a black matte with the Amazon sign on the back, but it doesn't really feel high quality. It's that sort of a cheap feeling. I will go through setting it up and then I'll come back to tell you more about it. Now let me give you a few details about this little e-reader. It has a 6-inch display, 8 gigs memory, which is more than enough to have inside a lot of books. It connects via Wi-Fi. Dimensions are 6.3, 4.5, 0.34 inches, 6.1 ounces, and when it comes to the battery, as usually, Kindle measures the battery life in weeks, not in hours, and they claim 6 weeks of battery life, but there is no color temperature adjustment. So of course you can zoom in and out, you can adjust the brightness of the screen, but no color temperature adjustment. There are only 4 LEDs in this Amazon Kindle, which might be enough for you, enough light for nighttime reading. You might even find yourself bumping the brightness down a little bit because you might find the light being too harsh in the nighttime. The screen is glare free, so reading in different lights, including bright sunshine, shouldn't be a problem. The pixel density is lower though than most e-readers on the market. It's only 167 pixels per inch. One nice feature is setting the font preferences that can be switched even in the middle of a chapter while you read. The 10th generation Kindle is still charged via a micro USB cable, so that's probably a downside of it. It allows you to listen to your Audible audiobooks. Unfortunately, you're limited to wireless headphones as there is no 3.5mm headphone jack, only Bluetooth. Final thoughts: as long as you're not looking for color adjustments on the light or a high PPA display and you don't mind being locked into the Amazon ecosystem or converting books before reading, this 10th generation Kindle checks most of the boxes the average reader needs. Is it worth the buck? At the time we shot this review, Amazon was selling this e-reader for $54.99. I would say that if you want to have an e-reader but don't want to spend over $130 for a Paperwhite, this is your best choice. Go for it. Definitely it will do the job. Do you have any questions? Let me know and I will happily answer. That's it for now. I hope you found this review useful in making up your mind about the entry-level 10th generation Kindle 2021, and I'll see you next time here at American Seconds.